Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle envelope card. To begin, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardstock, a scoring tool, and a sharp craft knife. Don't forget a ruler and a pencil for precise measurements, plus some strong adhesive. Choosing a beautiful decorative paper will truly make your card stand out. Now, let's move on to the cutting and scoring. Start by cutting your cardstock into a perfect square, perhaps 8 by 8 inches for a good size. Next, find the precise center of your square and make a light pencil mark. Using your scoring tool and ruler, create 4 score lines, extending from each corner directly to that central mark. This step is crucial for a clean fold. With your cardstock scored, it's time to bring the envelope to life. Gently fold each of the 4 corners inward, following those score lines you just made. As you fold, you'll see the circular shape start to emerge. Carefully overlap the folded sections. Once aligned, apply a strong adhesive to secure the bottom 3 flaps together, creating the main pocket of your unique envelope. Finally, let's add those special finishing touches. This is where you can truly personalize your creation. Decorate the top flap with any embellishments you love or write a heartfelt message. Once your design is complete, carefully insert your small card or gift into the newly formed envelope. To seal it, simply use a decorative sticker or a tiny dab of glue on the top flap. Enjoy your beautiful, handmade circle envelope card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.